What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, oh my goodness, I've been waiting. It's literally 5 o'clock right now, so whenever this video goes live, it's going live. But it's 5 o'clock right now. I've been waiting all day for the mail, stuff like that to show up. We got everything we've been waiting on except the lift kit. We also got news on the lift kit, which is bad, but we also did a lot of Banks work to Katie's truck. We got to finish that up, so I'll show you guys all that when we're done. We did a huge intercooler, boost tubes, we did all that. So this thing, the turbo screams are ready, but we're adding more boost to that. So that's gonna be awesome. Obviously, if you guys didn't catch that video of hers, did the Ram air intake as well a long time ago. But we waited on a lot of stuff here today, and we finally got it. As you can see, our seat belts are back in, our replacement wheel is here. We've got something else that's really gonna help us prep the frame. You guys will see that in another video here soon. And as you guys can see, I did a lot of work today on cleaning this garage out. Gotta finish this side up tomorrow, so finally getting there. So I just got news on our lift kit. Just got an email. It says Magori's, it was back ordered, supposed to ship like this week, but you know what? It is now back ordered till the 14th of August, which is absolutely just a bummer. It's just a bummer because you know what? Oh, that's what else we got today. We got the stuff we need so we can tint our Tahoe as well. So we got a lot of stuff coming up here in the next couple days. Tahoe is gonna change a lot, however, it's still not gonna be lifted, unfortunately. Oh my gosh, also, sorry, I'm going on a rant here. We do have headlights coming in for the Tahoe, and I'm gonna be honest, the ones that are coming in, the way they are set up now, I really am not a fan of. The company reached out to me and said, hey, we kind of want to throw a set of these headlights on your Tahoe. Would you be willing to do it? And you know what? To be honest, yeah. They're a good quality headlight, like high end, kind of like the Morimotos, but they're not. And they're gonna be going on my Tahoe. However, they're literally set up like this. Amber reflector and just no. So what I think we're gonna do to those is honestly bake them, open them up. I'm gonna get the factory paint and paint them, customize them. I think that's the best route to go with that. So hopefully you guys will see that soon as well whenever they ship in. So we got a lot of stuff coming for the Tahoe. Lift kit's just a little bit back ordered, but you know what? It's kind of gonna be an awesome finale, getting that lift done. It's just gonna be awesome, guys. So today, let's get our seat belts. Oh, did I even say that? I think I did, but let's get our seat belts unboxed. So if you guys didn't catch that video last Tuesday, we shipped these out. So it's Tuesday to Tuesday, it's same day, Tuesday to Tuesday, full 7 days with, you know, 2-day shipping out, 2-day shipping back, I'm assuming. Yeah, 2-day shipping. If you guys go to safetyrestore.com, use the code BColor10, you will get 10% off your custom seat belt order. They got a variety of colors, obviously you guys can see green, yellow, blue, red, purple. Love the purple ones in my truck, and I'm gonna love the red ones here. They had a couple shades of red. I went with the, I forget if it was Inferno red or whatever. They also have like Ferrari red, which is like electric red, but kind of went with the red that's more maroon. I think they even have one more darker than this, but oh my goodness, that looks just stellar already. Let's get this front one undone. Oh baby. They obviously packed it way better coming back than I did going out, but they're all sewn back to factory. All of the hangers and stuff you send with them are put back on correctly. Oh baby, look at that. Oh no, 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 no. This is too nasty, guys. This is too nasty. Let me show you guys these in the sun, but this is an absolute just ridiculously awesome mod. Good thing I went with that, not the Ferrari red. This matches the paint almost perfectly. Oh, it's just gonna be the perfect touch for this Tahoe. Let's zip them back in really quick. This one is simple right here. Snap our plastic in. Come down here. Tighten her down. And there it is. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. Especially with how well that matches the paint. Goodness, guys. Little things. And honestly, like I said, most mods, well, obviously use the code and you'll get 10% off your order. Kind of that, you know, just like interesting mod that's just like, oh, seat belts. But everybody notices it. My Hellcat with the red belts. Obviously the Tahoe is gonna have the red belts. The Ram with the purple belt, trust me, it gets noticed. And if it sure don't get noticed by someone else, oh my goodness, every time you get in, it's gonna get noticed by you. That looks incredible. Okay, so I'm trying to attack the rear ones here, and so this one, I don't know if it retracted too much or whatever, but it just locked up completely. So what I did was honestly took off the side cover, but if you can see in there, look at that little ball. That's pretty much the gravity weighted weight that'll kind of lock up your seatbelt if it's not in the right position. So that's super neat actually. But I just, you know, kind of pop that off, and then I can kind of unlock it from in here because the ball is no longer hitting it and locking it in place. So I can actually unlock the seatbelt, unravel it, and now I'm going to keep it stretched out like this, and we're going to slap it into that bolt there, this bolt here, and then it comes down and bolts in here. But we're going to take care of that super quick. Now obviously when you guys get to the rear of your vehicle, don't forget things are a little different. If you have a third row, just like my truck only had 2 rows, you'd be done. First and second row done. But the rears, if you have a third row seat, just remember you may have to do some cushion removal, stuff like that, just to get your belts out. So obviously lock your seatbelt mechanism in. Next thing up is going to be one of these things. I just don't know where this one's at. This, oh, here we go. Boom, boom. Plastic to the seats. That one's up there too. Here's this. That goes on the side. This is in the middle. Here is this as well. Okay, I think we figured it goes like that. Hooks over the little tabs in there. Lock it down. Oh. Now this middle one's really the only difficult one because it bolts in here under the cushion. As you can see, lift up the cushion back in there. Back in there is your bolt. Alright, after you've done that, you can take your cushions, put them back on, boom, lock it in. And then with our new belt bolted in and all that, all we gotta do is put our plastics back on and secure our leather down. And because, well, I'll show you when I get the cover wrapped back over, but it's just Velcro, so I'm gonna show you the technique on how to do that. Alright guys, slight mistake, don't forget, send it through your leather before you get or your cloth before you bolt it in the bottom. I just had to unbolt it so I could pull it through. And then now once it's through the hole in the leather, I could tuck it down here and repeat. Back and inside of this, put your cardboard back in there, put all the plugs back in the respectable locations, and then what you're gonna do, lock these in by connecting those. Now if you guys remember, the seat is completely Velcro in these channels, so literally use your hand like this. Get all the Velcro back in the channel. Karate chop it. Poke it in the middle. Get that all to stick so your leather's nice and tight. And just repeat, you know, on the bottom. Any of it lifted up. Boom. There you go. Your seat. So even where it's a little wrinkled, the heat and the sun inside your car, it'll bake, heat up the leather, stretch it out, and it will eventually flatten out again. So don't worry if there's a few creases or wrinkles. If you have leather, if you have cloth, it'll be completely less noticeable anyway. But yeah, if you take that stuff apart and you see creases in your leather, the heat from outside is going to heat up your leather, stretch it out, and get all those wrinkles out for you. So don't worry about that. Honestly, I'm going to rinse and repeat on this seat. Same thing as this outer belt only, because there's only one belt on that seat. And that's it. I'm going to throw all the plastics back on, and our seatbelt install will be done. I literally just spent the last who knows how long looking for this headrest. We will put it in as our final piece. As you can see already, look at those beautiful red belts. And not only in the front and not only in the back. Oh baby, look at these beautiful, beautiful things. Just gonna get that belt out, or buckle, and then also buckle this one in. Really give you guys the full effect. Oh yes. Who on earth could even fit there? Second of all, like I said, if you see any creases and wrinkles, don't worry about it. The sun, the heat, all of that iron out the leather essentially. I used to do leather kits day in and day out, and doing this rear really threw me back. Even nights like this, I'd be working late, just rolling leather, do stuff like that. That was not fun times. But it's a cool skill to have learned, and I can put it to use today. Look at that. Oh, those belts look great. Let's bring this down. Oh, probably should lock this in. Boom. Boom. Boom, look at that. And then our final seat over here. Why you gotta do that? Final seat down here. Oh baby. Oh, honestly, look at this setup, guys. Red belts from front all the way to the back, looking like some kind of Trackhawk kind of SUV here. Really, I'm honestly just joking, but look at that. That looks so darn good. Red belts all the way around, even through the rear, and even better. Oh my goodness. What was that? Get out of my boot. There's a snake in my boot. What was that? I don't know. But anyways, guys, truly sorry about that one. But look at that. Yeah, guys, I want to say thank you to the guys over at Safety Restore one more time for lightning and awesome service on our seat belts, not only for our Tahoe, but for our Ram. And to be honest, we're going to get Katie, after she's seen this and that and the Hellcat stock belts, she really wants to get her belts done in her truck too. So we're honestly going to do full color changes on just all of our seat belts. It's just a little modification that really pulls together the entire vehicle, especially with our suspension color, and it's just going to be jacked up, power boards and everything. I did have those ordered. We're going to have all that stuff going on. Once you open the door, you see the red belts. You put your time and effort into the build to make it right. Guys, I'm honestly, camera's gonna die. That's honestly gonna do it for today's video. I apologize if it's short. Got a lot of awesome news coming, a lot of awesome content coming in the next couple days here, next couple weeks, and then sooner than later. Unfortunately, our lift kit was back ordered a little longer, but it should be here soon as well. Go out and get your seat belts color swapped, guys. Safety Restore, awesome customer service, awesome quality, just in general, and an awesome, very, very affordable mod. So check them out, guys. I apologize for the short video. We got a lot of content coming this week. If you enjoyed this video, shoot a thumbs up. If you haven't been here before, please get down and click subscribe. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next video.